Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace planets in sky like this on Filmora X. So let's start the video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. So open Filmora and import your file. I already imported my file. For making this video, we need night sky still video and planet picture with black background. Okay, now add your video into timeline. Zoom the timeline and add planet picture into upper track and adjust with video. Now double click on planet picture and go compositing. Change compositing to screen. So as you can see, our black background has removed. Then go transform and adjust as you like. Let's check preview. As you can see, it's good, but there's a problem. As you can see, a white layer visible in here. To fix this, double click on planet picture. Then go color. Then click tone drop down. And increase contrast around 60. So as you can see, our white layer is no longer visible here. For more interesting view, you can increase saturation and brightness. Let's check preview. You can also add more color correction for better view. Okay, as you can see, it's perfect. With same process, add more planet. For moon planet, you can add glow effect for glowing moon. Let's check preview. So as you can see, it's so realistic. Okay, add another video for example. After all adjustment, you can decrease opacity for more realistic. And do same process with others planet. Okay, our effect is done. So let's export it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. and also leave a comment which effect you want on Filmora. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.